Hello my dear students, welcome to our English class. I hope you all are enjoying your studies at your home. I hope you all completed given work and you completed worksheet term 2 and PA2 and you completed chapter question answers in your fair notebook. Today chapter 4 shipwrecked picture description. Picture description is topic writing topic is picture description. Okay, picture description means chitra varnan. Okay, you have to see that picture, you have to describe that picture. Okay, then this is picture description topic of page number 30 and chapter number 4 picture description means description of a picture. चित्र वर्णन कैसे किया जाता है. Okay, look at the picture carefully. When you are going to describe that picture, you have to see that picture, look that picture very carefully. You have to concentrate on picture. You have to identify how many characters and what are there and what they are doing in that picture. Okay, where start by stating the place. Where, from where it is means where it is going on, in park, in zoo, at home, at school, where is that picture is going on. Okay, then who point out who all the there in the picture. You have to point out that all pictures from the that main picture means you are looking classroom. You have to point out all points of the classroom. Blackboard, book, desk, water bottle, school bag, chalk, books, like this you have to point out all are there in the main picture. Then what describe the picture generally in the beginning. How you have to begin that picture, what describe you have to begin. Like this you are going to describing classroom, you have to describe that first. This is a picture of classroom. Like this you have to going to describe about class. Then do not name the characters in the picture. You are not giving any name for that person in that picture. Do not give any name of in that picture. While you are explaining that, you are do not give any names for the characters. Okay, now use present tense. Always when you are describing the picture, always use present tense. Means this is classroom. There are 15 students in the class. There are many water bottles in the classroom. Like this you have to use past tense, you have to use present tense only. Do not make a story. Like this, once upon a time, you are not going to like this. You have to describe the picture in a present tense only. Then use good vocabulary. When you are describing that picture in a present tense, not naming any characters, you are pointing all main picture from that picture. You have to use good vocabulary. Beautiful, you have to use that beautiful vocabulary means synonymous you have to use for that one. Okay, now always do not make a story, use present tense and do not name the characters in the picture. Okay, describe the picture generally in the beginning and who point out all are the picture and where the picture and कहाँ पे हो रही, look at the picture carefully. Okay, this is the about our picture description. I am explained you from other knowledgeful books. Now I am going to describe about our chapter number 4. There is a picture description. I am going to start that picture description. Okay, now see here what is going on now. Here our picture description is here. First one, see. What is meant by description of picture? To talk about the facts, details and particulars about a picture through written words or a speech is called a describing picture. See here, we are not doing any oral here. Orally we are not describing. We are writing in words. Written words or a speech is called a describing of a picture. To talk about the facts, details or a particulars about a picture through written words or a speech is called a describing picture. Whatever you see there, you are describing and particular picture through the written words or a speech. Why do I describe picture? To give details about that picture. Why we are describing this picture? You want to give a details of that picture, so you are describing to help the reader understand and image the picture as I see it. Yes, we are describing that picture, what we see there as it is, and understand and image the picture as I see it. Whatever picture is there, we are describing as we saw or we see it as clearly. हमने जैसा देखा है वैसे ही हम describe. In the describing picture, answer these questions on the picture given below. How you are, for example, how you are going to describe the picture? First you have to look at that picture. How many fishes are there in the picture? How do they look? There are 2 fish in the picture. Oh, how happy they look. What are they doing? They are swimming in the water. What else can you see in the picture? There are few shells lying near plants. These shells are different sizes. A starfish and a ball are also lying near the plants. See here. These all are in a present tense. What is you are seeing as it is, you are writing in your notebooks or you are giving a answer of that questions. Add a sentence of your own about the fish. Okay, when we are looking at picture, that time we will use our own sentence to describe that picture. Okay, we should not pollute our seas and their shores. Instead, let us take care of our seas and oceans so that all the fish in the world live happily. When you are describing picture, that time it must be have a moral values from that picture. You have to describe that moral value of the picture. Whatever picture you are watching, like for example, you are describing classroom, that time you have to write their moral values of the classroom. You always respect your teachers. You must tidy your rooms. You must clean up your rooms. Like these rules you have to write in that picture for morals. Okay, this is our picture description. Okay, now come to the today's picture, page number 30 in your textbook. Describe something, we use words like large, big and cool, describing things by their color. We can also describe this color. See here, our journey to read Khrushchev's description of his ship. Our journey of Africa was to be on a large ship. It had big white sails and look at the sea tower at the sea. There was a long cool cabin for us to sleep in the ship. Now, when we describe something, we use words like large, big, tall, long, cool and so on. When we are describing picture, we use adjectives here. Okay, so look at this picture. Write a 5 or 6 lines describing what you see in your notebook. See this picture. Can you see this picture? Are you ready to give answer? Which picture of this? This is the picture of seashore. There are many children playing. You have to always use present tense. Okay, you always use present tense only. First I said you, I am going to describe that picture now. It is a bright and sunny day at the beach. It is the picture of a beach. There is a big ship in the water. See here, we are using only present tense. It is a bright sunny day at the beach. Bright we are using. There is a big ship in the water. We are using big here. Some people are swimming in the deep blue sea. We are using to describe sea, deep and blue. Many children are playing on the sand. They are making big sand castles. Okay, big sand castles means they are making, castles means रेती से बना हुआ जो घर होता है उसको castles बोलते हैं. One girl is playing with a blue ball. Some people are buying tasty snacks at the snack bar. Everyone is happy at the beach. Okay, this is the picture of beach. We are describing this picture using large, big, tall and cool here. We used big sea and tasty snacks and beautiful castle. We used many describing words in this. Okay, it is a bright and sunny day at the beach. There is a big ship in the water. Some people are swimming in the deep blue sea. Many children are playing on the sand. They are making big sand castle. One girl is playing with a blue ball. Some people are buying tasty snacks at the snack bar. Everyone is happy at the beach. This is our picture description of page number 30. You have to do this homework in your fair notebook, drawing this picture. You have to draw this picture or stick this picture in your fair notebook, and you have to write this picture description in your fair notebook. Okay, take care. Now if any confusion is there, you all of you know it na, always describe the picture with the present tense only. Use good vocabulary. It must have a beginning of the picture description. No need to characterize any names. कोई भी characters को आप name से नहीं रख सकते. And always look that picture properly. Whenever you are going to describe that picture, first you have to look carefully that picture and always start with the place and where it is going on. कहाँ पे हो रही है. It is a bright sunny day at the beach. Okay, starting is there. This picture is going on the beach side there is a big ship. After that you are going to explain all the picture of the beach. So you have to use present tense only, and you have to use vocabulary, and you have to use describing word in the picture description. Okay, I hope you all learned this and you are going to do this homework. This picture you have to stick in your fair notebook, and you have to write this picture description in your fair notebook. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.